Hello, everybody. I'm Sue. It's so nice to be here today. Now, over the next few minutes, I'm going to talk about how we would reimagine the lead-to-lease process so that we can match today's renters' expectations. Let's start with a quick overview of today's prospect-tenant situation. From everything that we've learned today, we've seen that there are two major trends that are driving the rental market in Canada. One is a limited housing supply, and two is the unaffordability of rents. Now, if you look at the general renter population, the highest percentage is now made up of the Gen Z generation. These are young adults in their mid-20s. They've just recently graduated, found new jobs. But these Gen Zs, they're digital natives, right? They've grown up with smartphones. They've grown up with access to high-speed internet. They've grown up with social media. They expect instant access to information, and they expect very quick, seamless digital experiences. Their rental choices are heavily influenced by the digital tours and resources that are available to them. Now, whether it's looking at detailed property listings, requesting a virtual tour, or even reading online reviews, they all prefer to do it on their phones. They're doing it within just a few button clicks. Now, when it comes to booking live tours or leasing rental units, the situation is not very different. Just like you book an Airbnb on your phone, renters today, they expect leasing to also be instant. They want to be able to find ways to quickly lease a unit, and they expect the process to be both informative and intuitive. Now, these shifts in the rental market, they're also impacting the leasing process on the landlord side. Let me give you a couple of examples. Since the market has only so much availability, and Gen Zs, of course, they prefer co-living with roommates, it does enhance affordability, there are now more rental applications per unit. With the volume of rental applications going up, you now need those many more resources to process all of them. Here's another example. Although uploading documents online today has become the new norm, renters are looking to keep their information private. Now, why is that? Renters today, they're not necessarily leasing with their family members or friends or even people that they deeply trust. They are just renting with someone they found on Facebook Marketplace or some other social media channel. So privacy is very, very important to them. Now, with this background, let's look at the lead-to-lease process. Because of the convenience of technology, there are now hundreds, if not thousands, of interested could-be tenants that are reaching out, which means that at any given point in time, your leasing team is having multiple ongoing conversations. The onus is often on the leasing agents or the property managers to gather all the information from the prospects, make sure they're uploaded online properly, and just the sheer workload of getting them from interest in a unit all the way up to a signed lease. Now, if you're using multiple different systems to manage your tenant pipeline, then there are those many potential points of breakdown. You need multiple data entries from both your staff members and from your prospects. Communication is often delayed. It can be all over the place. It's very difficult to track end-to-end. Even your reporting and metrics, they are in multiple places. They're often incomplete. They are just unable to render that holistic picture of how your leasing life cycle is performing. Now, when you take all of these challenges and issues into consideration, your leasing life cycle takes weeks. And this makes renters impatient and results in an overall bad experience. So sure, our process might be going digital, but they don't necessarily translate into efficiency. Now let's imagine the ideal lead-to-lease process. A prospect comes in inquiring about a rental unit, and this could be through any channel that they prefer. It could be through an email, it could be through a call, it could be through a text, it could be through your website, it could be through rental listings. Doesn't matter where it comes from. The two-way conversation between the prospect and the agent can be tracked all the way from interest to a signed lease because it's all in one place. There is a clearly defined step-by-step leasing workflow that can be automated. And of course, have the flexibility of handling exceptions manually as they do come up. Information is readily available to prospects whenever it is needed, enabling them to quickly go through each stage of the leasing process. There is no need for multiple data entries. Data is automatically populated at each stage of the leasing pipeline. Reporting data is tracked end to end. And now you have more holistic performance dashboards. Documents can be securely uploaded online. Application and lease documents can be signed by multiple people. Sensitive information can be protected. It's all done seamlessly. Even leasing agents and property managers can be designated specific role-based access so that you can manage specific stages of the leasing pipeline without getting in each other's way. Now, your process, it's not just efficient, it's also super quick. And this helps your renters to get quick leasing decisions, and it also helps your staff members because there's very less to deal with. But what if we can take this to the next level and make leasing instant for renters? With the recent merger between RentSync and BuildingStack and the integration between both platforms, RentSync is not just a marketing solutions platform anymore. We can automate the entire leasing process and even provide a tenant portal. Jonathan, one of the BuildingStack co-founders, he'll get into it in the next session. But this is exclusive roadshow news. We haven't even made a public announcement about this yet. But I'm extremely, extremely thrilled to announce this industry-first product that we're calling Instant Lease. It is set to revolutionize the leasing process for renters. Now, just imagine, right? Your entire lease cycle is simplified and automated. As a prospective tenant, you can apply for a rental application, make payments, and sign the lease all in one single flow. That's Instant Lease. As a leasing agent or property manager, you have the necessary tenant information in front of you. All you have to do is review this information, you approve the prospect, and you sign the lease. Now, you're shortening the leasing life cycle from days to just hours, while keeping your leasing process efficient and robust. Now, I know this may be a little bit hard to believe, but let me show you. Imagine you're the prospective tenant, and you're looking to move in the next month or so. You're searching for listings on rentals.ca. You're obviously on your phone. You find a rental unit that you really like. You open it up. You find all the information there, which includes like a recorded virtual tour. It has an interactive floor plan navigator. So you're really kind of going through the listing. You really, really like it. It's the perfect fit for you. So in today's competitive rental market, why wait? You can submit a rental application and sign the lease right away. All you have to do is fill out a simple contact form, and voila. You get an email starting you off on an end-to-end leasing process. The rental application is filled out and signed, the documents are uploaded online, the credit check is done, the deposit and rent payments are completed, and the lease is signed by the tenant. It's all in one single workflow. It's quick, it's easy, it's seamless. Now, on the landlord side, the leasing agent or the property manager gets a notification immediately. The tenant information is reviewed. If everything looks good, approve the prospect, and the lease can be signed. As you can see here on the side, every part of this process is customizable with settings, tailored to what you need in the sequence of events that it needs to happen in. Now, we do understand that the leasing process is not the same business to business. Each company has its own workflows. To showcase the significant impact of Instant Lease, we've taken a somewhat standard leasing workflow and compared the average leasing life cycle with and without Instant Lease. Although these are just some preliminary numbers, you can see that with Instant Lease, we were able to accelerate the average leasing cycle from about 11 days to just under 48 hours. Now that's 82% reduction in time. Now, say you have super customized processes. Say you spend a few more hours on your leasing process. You have still saved your leasing team more than half their usual time spent in day-to-day activities. Not just time, you've also reduced the operational costs that are expended by your leasing process. Now, who wouldn't want that? Instant Lease is a step in the direction where we're now shifting the onus of gathering information and getting through each stage of the leasing cycle to the tenant, instead of the property manager or the leasing agent being responsible for it. By enabling these self-serve processes, we are not just saving your team's time and effort, we are also reducing the friction between the tenant and the property. The goal is to make the tenants happy and make your staff members even happier. I think the two big takeaways from this is, one, that the focus is now shifting from the quantity of prospects to the quality of prospects. From the hundreds of new prospective tenants that are coming your way, you want to find the best ones, and you want to give them the best possible user experience. The second takeaway is the ability to view a holistic picture of how this happens, of how your entire leasing lifecycle is performing and how your tenants are responding to it. With one unified platform, it's easy to keep all that data in one place and gain better insights. And this helps you make even better decisions. As we see this new trend setting in, we will be able to gather deeper renter insights into what tenants need, what they want, and what they're willing to pay for. These insights will help us shape and evolve our processes. Now, whether we like it or not, Instant Lease is imminent. We're just trying to get ahead of the game here. But Instant Lease is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that we can do with technology. Here at RentSync and BuildingStack, we're building a platform that not just supports customized processes and automations. We're also building a robust engine where we will be able to accommodate artificial intelligence with data privacy and compliance. Artificial intelligence will be a game changer. We all know that. But how securely and seamlessly we implement it matters much more. We want to solve your problems, real-world problems, with the best that technology can offer. The future is here, and we're just getting started.